In this tutorial today, let us find an answer to this radical expression. So here we have root 20 plus root 45. As long as the digits inside the root are not a perfect square number, all we all need to do is to break them down or simplify them. Now for 20 here, all we need to do is to find two factors, okay, in which when you multiply will give you 20, but one of them must be a perfect square number, and those two numbers are 4 and 5. So in the root here we have 4 times 5, then plus the same thing. And what are those two numbers or two factors in which when you multiply will give you 45, and one of it must be a perfect square number, and that is 9 times 5. So in the root you write 9 times 5. Okay, so the next step here now is, in this case here now we have 4, which is a perfect square number. So the root of 4 is what? 2. You write that out. Then inside the root you are left with what? 5, because 5 is not a perfect square number. Then plus, now here the root of 9 is 3. You write that out. Then inside the root we are left with what? 5. Now considering these two terms, now you can see both of them have the same root 5, root 5. Okay, because they have root 5, you can what? Add them together. So 2 plus 3, that will give us 5. Then you bring root 5 here. You have root 5. Thank you, and remember this. Bye bye.